You updated the plugin to the latest version, but now you have problems and want to roll back to the previous one? In this video, we will show how to do it in a few simple steps. In our example, we will update this plugin to the latest version, and then return it to the previous one. As you can see, the version of this plugin is 2.4.6, and after the update it will be 2.4.7. Now when we want to roll back the plugin to the previous version, we have to install a new plugin that will allow us rollback. In the search field, we type Rollback plugin and install the second plugin in the search result. The list of active plugins now includes the one we just installed, and with it we got the rollback option. Clicking on that option will show all previous versions of the plugin and information about the currently installed version. Next to each version there is a View Changelog option that allows you to see what the new version has brought. Simply select the version to which you want to restore the plugin and start the rollback. Before confirming the switch to another version, you will receive a confirmation dialog where you are suggested to do a complete backup, which can be very important in some cases. Judge whether it is necessary in your case or not. Clicking on Rollback will start the version change process. After the process is finished, you can see that now the plugin has been reverted to the previous version. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.